So right now I'm getting my phone fixed. I found these folks on eBay and they were nice enough to not have me ship the phone in and have the phone repaired. Um, and apparently this is a common issue with iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Mine's a 7 Plus. And it's when the audio chip um, stops working. It's intermittent, so usually restarting the phone fixes it. Um, but I guess the only way to really fix it is by taking off the chip. Yep. Taking off the chip and then after you take off the chip, oh wow, this is awesome. This is a magnification of the chip, and there's a protection. Then you need to take this part off. Oh, that's awesome. This is amazing. So right now he's heating it up, and then he's gonna take off this chip. He's gonna clean the soldering, put new soldering on there, and this is what it looks like. It's so awesome. See, I've seen tons of videos on YouTube about this fix, and I've been with the phone for about a month like this. But yeah, this is a very common issue with the iPhone 7. But I usually just restart it and that fixes it. Ooh, there we go. That is the chip I got taken out right now. This is the audio processing chip. And now he's cleaning it. Oh, this is awesome. So the chip got removed, and now I don't remember what the solution was on it. So this usually happens. A lot of people start complaining after this issue after the iOS 12, but it's more of a hardware issue. It's kind of a little bit of both, because I know when I restarted it, it fixed it, but after doing research online, this is like the only solution here to actually take out the chip and redo everything. I'm gonna have the link to their repair eBay store, so if you guys have this issue, you guys could ship them the phone. Wish my focusing was a little closer, but I can't focus that close. So now there's a little chip in there. Super small. Let's select this. It's as small as it gets. Nice cleaning it. seen about 10 YouTube videos of folks doing this, and this, I think it's pretty amazing finding someone that and that's the chip that the solution and the cause of this problem. And now we're putting it back in there. This is one of the hardest parts because you have to align it perfectly to the location where it's supposed to be. It's so small.
Yeah, done.
All set. Now we just have to put it back in there, and that's pretty much it.
This is yours.
And that's it, guys. That's the audio repair issue that's been plaguing all the iPhone 7s. When your microphone's not working, or if it's making funny sounds, or it just takes a long time to restart, that is the issue right there. Thanks.